What's up everyone? How y'all doing? This is my setup, man. I've been playing around with this setup for the last hour, trying to get the right exposure because I'm recording in S-Log. I feel like such a YouTuber, even though this is not even my first video. This is just me testing this out. I don't even know if I'm going to put this video out there. Anyway, let me quickly show you what I'm working with. I'm going to record this with my iPhone 7. So first of all, we got me. Hey everyone. And we got A7 III with the Tamron 28 to 75. Right now it's at 37 millimeters focal length roughly. External monitor that I keep turned off. Only at the beginning I turn it on to get the framing right, but if I keep it turned on, I keep looking at it and I don't like it. I like looking right in the lens. And also it's my 120D massive light with a light dome. That's Aputure 120D Mark II. This doesn't even contribute to the lighting setup, but I just have it because it does feel like Christmas here. I mean, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if you count the screen from my Mac, that's 6 sources of light. Now I've put it here because it's just such a nice kind of blue touch in the corner. I just love it. So I use that. Anyway, that is my setup. Let me switch to my regular A7 III. So yeah, I'll be doing YouTube videos, and reason why I want to do YouTube videos. Oh god, I have to take a breath. I'm so excited. Oh god. The reason why I want to do YouTube videos is because over the past years, I've posted a lot of stuff online, and I've always taken it down. And there's a ton of stuff on my hard drive that didn't really stick on YouTube for long, and I've been having this feeling lately that I really want to do YouTube, and I've been exploring and asking myself, why the hell did I put these videos down? I mean, why didn't I leave it there? And yesterday I was going with my close friend Charlie, and I landed on the decision that I've been just too worried about what other people think. And not even that, but it's more about like me not thinking that other people will value my stuff. So I have times when I share with others my opinions, I express myself, and people love it. But then there's times when I don't do that because I feel like it's whenever I don't feel like I fit in, and I don't feel like I'm in the right group, and then I don't speak up, and I'm just like closed off, and I'm like a different person. I just don't feel like me. But when I'm with the right group of people and in the right mindset, I just feel like I can open up and speak up. And yeah, it was a big aha moment for me. Yeah, it was a big aha moment for me, definitely. So I want to be posting content on YouTube from now on. It's going to be about filmmaking, it's going to be about creating stuff, it's going to be about fitness, my life story, and everything that I want to talk about. Because basically I couldn't decide what I want to do, whether I want to do a channel about just filmmaking or just about my personal experiences and sharing that with you all. I was thinking about at times about fitness channel as well. I've done like 10 or so videos about fitness that also have been posted but been taken down, and this was 3 years ago. So this has been a massive journey for me. It took me years to realize this, and Jesus, it's been literally years. I mean, I wanted to be posting content like this since I was 17, and I'm gonna be now 24. This makes me fucking go nuts. Like right now I just want to explode. I just feel like, why didn't I start sooner? And I'm still not even starting. Like, this is not even my YouTube video. This is just like me ranting in front of a camera to get more comfortable with y'all for my future videos. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna end this right now. Peace. Love y'all.